Hi guys, this is going to be a really quick video on the relationship between roots and radicals. So, objective, I can explain the relationships between squares and square roots. So we're going to look at the relationship between squaring a number and taking the square root of a number. Next. So squaring a number is the opposite of taking the square root. So kind of like addition is the opposite of subtraction, and multiplication is the opposite of division. Squaring a number and square rooting a number, and when I write this little x, that just means any number. Squaring a number and taking the square root of a number, they're opposites. So square and square root are opposites. So when you see this x like this, that just means any number. So like it could be 4, right? So the square root of 4 squared equals 4. So this is showing us that this square root symbol and this squared, they kind of cancel each other out. So if I have the square root of 6 squared, well, my square root and my squared cancel each other out because they're opposite. So it is 6. You can also think of it like this, like the square root of 6 squared, right? Well, 6 squared is 36. So then that would simplify to the square root of 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. So let's just see some examples. Oh, you can't see my little guy in the corner. So 4, the square root of 4 squared. Okay, so 4 squared is 16, and then I still have my square root. And the square root of 16 is 4, and that's because 4 times 4 is 16. I also could have done this quickly by seeing that the square root and the squared cancel each other out. All right, the square root of 7 squared. 7 squared is 49, and then the square root of 49 is 7. And the square root and the squared cancel each other out, so it's just 7. And the square root of 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So they cancel each other out. Okay, that is all.